I will teach you how to pass PTE in just a few hours. Hi guys, Alex here from Dream English, and what we're planning to do is something we've never done before. So we're gonna have a half-day course, okay? And it's gonna cover all 4 sections that you need: speaking, reading, listening, writing for your PTE exam. So whether you're from overseas and you just need 6.5 or 7 to come here and study abroad, or whether you're already getting 70s by yourself and you need to get 8 each, and you're just missing a few small tricks, a few strategies, we're gonna have a half-day course this upcoming Saturday, the 10th of August. It's going to be at 5 p.m. Sydney time. We're gonna cover all the sections. I will literally show you how to pass PTE in like a few hours. So you don't need to waste like weeks and weeks on YouTube searching how to do it by yourself. It's only $20 Australian, so whether you're in India, whether you're in Pakistan, whether you're in Colombia, it's like less than $15 US. So you have no excuse that you can't afford it. We just made it just for you. We'll add you to a private Facebook group. You'll get all the materials, you'll get all the formats, all the templates, and all the files. So look forward to see you guys then. And if you're planning to join me, send us a message right now.